Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make custom emojis on a Discord server on mobile. So if you want custom emojis for your Discord server on mobile, I'll show you guys how to make them so that you can use them in your Discord server. So first let's head over to Discord so I can show you what I mean by custom emoji. So as you can see, I've been posting these depressed Wojak emojis, and these are custom ones that I've made on mobile. So if you want to make custom emojis that can be whatever picture that you want, I'll show you how to do that in this video today. So first things first, head over to any website or browser and search up whatever picture that you want to use. Once you search it up, let's say I want a Wojak buff, just choose any picture that you want. So find a picture, I like this one right here, and once you find it, you're going to want to click on it and hold down and then save it. So once you save the image, it'll save to your gallery or your photos. So once you save it, you're going to want to open a new tab, and once you open a new tab, let me do that real quick, you're going to want to search up background remover. Once you search up background remover, you're just going to want to click on any of these options right here. I'll choose this one right here, and once you choose on it, you're going to want to click on upload image. Once you click on upload image, just choose the image that you just saved. So I'll use the buff Wojak. Now once you do that, you just want to let it load for a bit, and then you can customize it however you want. So once it's been completely saved or whatever, you can click on download, or you can just hold it down and save it to your photos or gallery if you can do that. Once you do that, just head back over to your Discord, and once you are back on your Discord, here you're going to want to click on the three bars in the top right left corner, and here right next to your server's name there's three bars right there. Click on those three dots. Click on those three dots. It'll bring up this page here. Here you're going to want to click on settings. Once you click on settings, it'll bring you to this page right here, and here you'll want to scroll down until you find emoji. Once you find emoji, just click on upload emoji, which is the top option right here. And once you click on that, you can upload your photo. So let me upload the buff Wojak, and you're going to want to, it's only a square, so if it's longer than a normal square, it won't work well, but as you can see, you can just choose whatever you want. So I'll choose just the middle part of his body, and once you do that, you'll have an emoji that you can use in your Discord server. So let me show you real quick. As you can see, if I click on the emoji button right here and choose the one I just uploaded, there's a buff Wojak's body right there. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.